All right, so back working on my 2002 Ford Ranger again. So if you ever have your oil gauge start flipping around, it's a bad oil sensor in the truck, and this is a common problem with a Ranger. So I'm getting rid of the truck. I'm officially finished up, fixed everything. This is the last thing left. And so what will happen is you're driving, it won't happen at first, but after a while it'll start flipping. The gauge will literally start flipping all over the place. So you want to take care of it, because if you're not careful, the thing will end up flipping around. Then you got to tear the dash apart to reset the actual needle in here. So it's located on the back of the engine block on the top of the, towards the transmission. So it's not a hard job, but it is a pain nonetheless. So I'm going to go through the process. I'm going to replace that sensor and get rid of the flipping out oil gauge, and film it as I go. There's the oil sensor right there. Like I said, it's a pain to get to. It's in a horrible location. The best way is just get a 3/4 wrench and reach in there to get it. So the hardest part is sort of getting the cap off, and then there's the O2 sensor there. So I got to yank that out to get it out of the way. But other than that, it should go fairly quick. Cap off. So now I just got to get a wrench, a 3/4 inch, and remove it.